Radio Atanayeche, asante sana kwa kututegea.
Good morning, dear listeners. I'm Murithi and I'm proud to work with Girl Child Network here in Turkana West and Lokichogo. Today, I'm here to share with you incredible work we are doing under the Green 360 project, a project that empowers our youth and protects our environment. Through this radio talk show, we aim to create awareness about the importance of trees and how communities, teachers, parents and children can work together to make our environment greener and healthier. The Green 360 project is supported by Education Above All under the ROTA project. Through this partnership, we are currently working with 60 schools across the region, supporting children and the youth to learn, grow and protect the environment. Let me share with you some of the programs we are running under the Green 360 project, my dear listeners. Number 1, tree planting. Under tree planting, we are covering a span of 60 schools and we are planting seedlings in schools to provide shade, reduce heat, prevent soil erosion and improve rainfall. Number 2, beekeeping. We are teaching children and youth how to keep bees for sustainable livelihoods. Number 3, we have clean environment initiatives, organizing schools and community cleanups to promote healthy surroundings. And number 4, briquette making and energy saving decors, where we are training in creating sustainable cooking solutions to save energy and reduce firewood use. And number 5, compost making, using organic waste to produce natural fertilizers for gardens and farms. And lastly, number 6, making chairs using the madenge tree, where we are promoting creative use of tree resources while protecting the environment. Through these programs, the youth are able to learn valuable skills, develop environmental awareness, and contribute to the sustainability of their schools and the communities. One of the key goals of our radio talk is to protect the tree seedlings planted in schools. We appeal to all community members to 1, ensure animals are restrained and do not enter school compounds, and number 2, support children in watering the seedlings both at school and at home. Protecting trees saves schools money and provides a healthier learning environment. We urge parents and community members to 1, encourage youth to water the seedlings both at school and home. Number 2, to take part in tree planting initiatives around their homes and villages. And number 3, educate others on the importance of trees in controlling temperatures, providing shade, and reducing the impact of strong winds. Let me share some examples of success schools that have shown outstanding results. Arid Zone Primary School, led by Mr. Joseph Edukon and our teacher Mr. Ephraim Esekon, who is our point teacher. Students are actively involved in tree planting and environmental projects in the school, which has turned out to be a great success. Kalem Church Primary, led by Madam Sabina Akuam, and our point person teacher Mr. Wesley Obara. Children have also embraced the project and are showing tremendous growth in environmental awareness. These schools are models of how children, teachers and the community can work together to protect the environment. In conclusion, my dear listeners, we call upon all listeners, parents, teachers, community leaders and children and the youth to 1, protect the tree seedlings planted in schools. Number 2, plant trees at home and participate in school tree planting programs. And number 3, support children in all environmental initiatives under the Green 360 project. Finally, together we can create greener schools, empower the youth and resilient communities. I am Murithi from Girl Child Network, and it has been my pleasure sharing with you our work and vision. Thank you for listening, and let's make Turkana greener, one tree at a time. God bless you all.
Na msikilizaji, wiki litakucha, na kila siku inapokucha basi inakucha na kucha zake. Wakati huu tuko katika likizo ndefu ya Krismasi, shule zimefungwa, wanafunzi watainiwa mwaka huu wamemaliza mitihani. Ningeomba hivi, kuna miti zimepandwa shuleni. Kando na miti zimepandwa shuleni, tunahimizwa kwamba tuchunge miche za miti, tuhakikishe kwamba tunazimwagilia maji, tuhakikishe kwamba pia miti hizi zinawekwa katika mandhari nzuri, mazingira ambayo zinapendeza. Miti ambazo tumepanda nyumbani isikuliwe na wanyama, kwa sababu miti hii itatusaidia pakubwa sana siku za usoni. Nimepiga gumzo na bwana Evans Murithi
Njia bora zaidi ya kufikia 90% ya watu ni kupitia redio. Radio Atanayeche